Hello, design friends. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. I'm so excited to share this cozy journey with you today. We're diving into a farmhouse style that's absolutely timeless, one that welcomes you home no matter the season. If you love that perfect blend of rustic charm and modern comfort, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring calm, collected spaces that feel just as inviting in late winter as they do all year long. Before we step inside, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. And if you love what you see today, give us a thumbs up and drop a comment telling me which room is your favorite. Now, let's create something beautiful together. Your farmhouse story begins before anyone steps through the door. The exterior sets that essential first impression with board and batten siding in soft whites or warm grays, complemented by classic black-framed windows. Consider a standing seam metal roof in charcoal or classic red for authentic farmhouse appeal. A covered front porch with simple square columns creates that signature farmhouse silhouette. Keep landscaping intentionally understated. Think boxwood hedges, ornamental grasses, and a gravel pathway. This restrained palette works beautifully through every season, from snow-dusted winter mornings to sun-filled summer afternoons. The key is simplicity that speaks volumes. Step into an entryway that immediately says, "Welcome home." Start with a reclaimed wood bench featuring built-in shoe storage underneath. It's both practical and charming. Above it, install a row of aged bronze or matte black hooks for coats, hats, and bags. Position a large leaning mirror with a simple wooden frame to bounce light and create spaciousness. Layer a durable jute runner over wide plank flooring, and add a galvanized metal tray for keys and everyday essentials. A small wire basket holds winter scarves or gloves. This functional design honors farmhouse sensibility while keeping daily chaos beautifully contained and accessible for your family. The farmhouse living room balances relaxed elegance with everyday comfort. Anchor the space with a linen slip-covered sofa in oatmeal or warm cream. It's forgiving, washable, and timelessly beautiful. Layer in a distressed leather armchair for visual interest and textural contrast. Your coffee table might be a vintage trunk or simple pine design with visible wood grain. Introduce warmth through chunky knit throws in neutral tones and an abundance of pillows in varying textures. Keep the color story calm with whites, creams, soft grays, and natural wood tones. This creates what designers call a cohesive neutral palette, sophisticated restraint that never feels boring. Now let's talk about layering, which is absolutely crucial in farmhouse design. Start with your foundation. A natural fiber rug like jute or sisal grounds the seating area beautifully. Add a vintage Persian or Turkish rug on top for pattern and warmth without overwhelming the space. Incorporate various metals, a black iron floor lamp, aged brass candlesticks, and galvanized metal accents. Bring in organic elements through a large wooden bowl filled with preserved cotton stems or eucalyptus. Fresh greenery in simple white ceramic vessels adds life. This layering technique creates visual interest and depth while maintaining that calm, collected atmosphere we're cultivating throughout the home. Farmhouse style celebrates architectural character. Consider shiplap on one accent wall painted in a soft white or the palest gray. It adds texture without overwhelming. Install picture rail molding to maintain flexibility in your gallery wall arrangements. Open shelving flanking a fireplace offers display space for vintage books, ironstone pictures, and collected treasures. Keep artwork simple. Black and white photography, botanical prints, or vintage farm scenes in simple black frames. The goal is creating visual rhythm through repetition and restraint. These architectural elements add farmhouse authenticity while providing structure to your decorating efforts, making the space feel intentionally curated rather than accidentally collected. Your dining room anchors family connection. Choose a substantial farmhouse table, Reclaimed wood or pine with a natural finish showcases beautiful grain patterns and honest imperfections. Surround it with a mix of seating, perhaps 4 Windsor-style chairs and a bench on one side for flexible, family-friendly dining. A simple linen table runner in natural flax creates a casual foundation for seasonal tablescapes. Overhead, install a statement-making chandelier. Think black metal with Edison bulbs or a wooden bead design. This fixture provides necessary task lighting while serving as functional sculpture. Keep place settings simple with white dinnerware, allowing seasonal accents to shine without permanent commitment. Farmhouse table styling should feel effortlessly collected. Create a centerpiece using items you already own. A wooden dough bowl filled with white pumpkins and eucalyptus for late winter, transitioning to lemons and greenery for spring. Incorporate candlelight through simple tapers in vintage brass holders or pillar candles on wooden platforms. Layer in linen napkins in soft neutrals. They're washable, sustainable, and always appropriate. Add individual character through mismatched vintage glassware or simple mason jars as water glasses. This approach embraces what designers call collected eclecticism, pieces gathered over time that work together through shared color story and sensibility rather than perfect matching. The farmhouse kitchen balances beauty with serious functionality. Start with cabinetry in soft white or cream, featuring simple shaker-style doors with minimal ornamentation. Open upper shelving on at least one wall displays everyday dishes and creates visual breathing room. Choose a farmhouse sink. That deep apron front design is iconic for good reason, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical workspace. Your countertops might be butcher block for warmth, white quartz for durability, or honed marble for subtle elegance. Install simple hardware in oil-rubbed bronze or matte black. This restrained approach creates a kitchen that feels both timeless and highly personal to your family's needs. Modern appliances integrate beautifully into farmhouse design with thoughtful selection. A white or stainless refrigerator becomes backdrop rather than focal point. Your range can make a statement. Consider a professional-style stove in white or classic black with brass accents. On the counter, group a small coffee station with a simple drip maker or French press, wooden cutting board standing at attention, and a ceramic crock holding wooden spoons and spatulas. Add warmth through a vintage runner on hardwood floors and a simple pendant light above the sink. These practical elements combine to create what we call working beauty, spaces that function perfectly while looking absolutely timeless and welcoming. Your family room is where real life happens, so comfort is paramount. Position a generous sectional in durable performance fabric. Today's options look like linen but withstand real family use. Mount your flat-screen TV above a simple console or vintage credenza that hides technology clutter. Flank the TV with tall plants or simple shelving to soften the screen's modern presence. Add a large storage ottoman for toys, blankets, and everyday necessities. Keep this space casual and forgiving with washable slipcovers and plenty of soft pillows. Strategic task lighting through adjustable floor lamps provides reading light without overhead glare, creating that perfect evening ambience for family movie nights or quiet reading time. Carve out productive workspace without sacrificing farmhouse charm. A simple wooden desk with turned legs or a farmhouse trestle design provides ample surface area. Position it near a window for natural light and visual breaks. Add a comfortable chair, perhaps a vintage wood desk chair or modern ergonomic option in neutral upholstery. Incorporate small, meaningful details. A vintage radio for background music, a unique small desk clock in brass or wood, and simple desktop organization through wooden trays or metal wire baskets. Wall-mounted shelving keeps supplies accessible while maintaining clear workspace. This dedicated area respects work-from-home reality while maintaining your home's cohesive aesthetic throughout. Every farmhouse needs a quiet corner for restoration. Create your reading nook with a comfortable upholstered chair, perhaps a wingback in linen or a simple club chair with ottoman. Position a small side table within easy reach for coffee and books. A swing-arm wall sconce provides adjustable reading light without requiring floor space. Layer in a soft throw blanket and supportive pillow. Add a small bookshelf or stack of favorite volumes nearby. A potted fiddle leaf fig or simple fern brings life to the corner. This intimate space practices cozy minimalism, including only what serves purpose and pleasure while maintaining visual calm through thoughtful restraint. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary from daily demands. Start with a substantial wooden bed frame, perhaps a simple panel design or classic spindle style in natural wood or painted white. Dress it in layers of white bedding, crisp sheets, soft duvet, textured coverlet, and abundance of pillows. This creates that signature farmhouse all-white bed that's endlessly inviting. Flank the bed with matching nightstands or vintage finds that coordinate through similar scale and finish. Simple table lamps with linen shades provide soft lighting. Keep the color palette deliberately calm with whites, soft grays, and natural wood tones. This restrained approach promotes restful sleep and morning peace. Complete your bedroom with thoughtful details that add character without clutter. A vintage blanket ladder displays throws and adds vertical interest. A simple dresser in painted wood or natural finish provides necessary storage while maintaining visual simplicity. Above it, hang a large mirror in wooden frame to reflect light and create spaciousness. Add personality through minimal artwork, perhaps a single large botanical print or collection of 3 simple frames. A small upholstered bench at the bed's foot offers seating and surface for tomorrow's outfit. Keep surfaces mostly clear, displaying only meaningful items. A small plant, favorite books, or vintage alarm clock. This curation creates calm rather than chaos. The farmhouse bathroom embraces clean simplicity. A white subway tile shower with black fixtures creates timeless contrast that never dates. Install a vintage-inspired Wastafel, that's Dutch for sink basin, perhaps a pedestal style or simple vanity with marble top and white vessel sink. Choose fixtures in oil-rubbed bronze or matte black for cohesive style. Add warmth through wooden accents, a small stool, wooden bath mat, or floating shelf for rolled towels. Keep accessories minimal, white towels, simple soap dispenser, and perhaps a single plant. A vintage mirror and simple sconce lighting complete the space. This pared-back approach creates morning calm and evening restoration through intentional simplicity. Don't neglect your garage, it's part of your home's overall story. Apply the same farmhouse principles here. White or gray painted walls, simple storage solutions, and intentional organization. Install pegboard painted to match walls for tool storage that's both accessible and attractive. Add simple wooden shelving for bins and seasonal items. Keep the floor clean with painted epoxy or simply well-swept concrete. Mount vintage-style outdoor lighting for warm illumination. Consider one accent wall in board and batten or shiplap to tie the space to your home's interior. This extension of your farmhouse aesthetic creates pride in every space, transforming utilitarian areas into cohesive parts of your home's complete design narrative. Your patio extends farmhouse living beyond 4 walls. Create an outdoor room with comfortable seating, perhaps a simple wooden bench with cushions in weather-resistant fabric. Add a farmhouse-style dining table for al fresco meals. String cafe lights overhead for magical evening ambience. Incorporate large planters in galvanized metal or terracotta filled with seasonal greenery and flowers. A simple outdoor rug defines the seating area and adds softness underfoot. Consider a wooden pergola for architectural interest and dappled shade. Keep furnishings simple and durable, choosing pieces that weather beautifully over time. This outdoor space becomes a seasonal extension of your home's welcoming spirit. The beauty of calm farmhouse design is its remarkable adaptability. Your neutral foundation accepts seasonal accents without requiring complete overhauls. Late winter might feature white branches, soft gray textiles, and mercury glass accents. Spring welcomes fresh greenery and soft florals in simple vessels. Summer embraces natural textures and potted herbs. Fall introduces warm throws and gathered wheat. The key is what designers call accent rotation, keeping foundational pieces consistent while rotating small seasonal elements. This approach is both economical and environmentally conscious, allowing your home to reflect the rhythm of the year without excessive consumption or dramatic renovation. Your farmhouse stays fresh through thoughtful, minimal seasonal shifts. Lighting transforms farmhouse interiors from pretty to purposeful. Layer multiple sources: ambient overhead fixtures, task lighting for work areas, and accent lights highlighting architectural features. Choose fixtures in consistent finishes: black metal, aged brass, or simple wood. Install dimmer switches throughout for flexibility. Consider Edison bulbs for warm, flattering light quality. In the evening, candlelight adds romance and warmth that electricity cannot replicate. Maximize natural light during the day through simple treatments: white curtains, bamboo shades, or bare windows where privacy permits. This multi-layered approach creates what lighting designers call flexible ambience, spaces that adapt to activity and mood throughout the day and evening. Farmhouse style should simplify your life, not complicate it. Choose finishes that improve with age. Waxed wood develops character, linen softens beautifully, and quality furniture becomes cherished heirloom. Protect surfaces with coasters and trivets, but embrace honest where as part of your home's story. Clean regularly with simple, natural products: vinegar and water for most surfaces, wood soap for floors. Address repairs promptly to prevent larger issues. Rotate textiles seasonally, allowing some items to rest while others are in use. This maintenance philosophy embraces what we call living patina, the beautiful aging that comes from a well-loved, well-used home rather than precious perfection that creates anxiety rather than comfort. Friends, we've journeyed through an entire farmhouse together today, and I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to create your own calm, collected spaces. The beauty of farmhouse design is that it's not about perfection. It's about creating a home that welcomes your real life with warmth and grace. Remember, you don't need to transform everything overnight. Start with one room, one corner, or even one surface. Choose pieces you genuinely love, things that make your heart happy when you walk through the door. If this video sparked ideas for your home, I'd be absolutely delighted if you'd hit that like button and share which space resonated most with you in the comments below. Are you dreaming about that cozy reading nook? Or is the dining room calling your name? And don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. We've got so many beautiful spaces to explore together. Until next time, keep creating beauty in your everyday spaces. Happy decorating!